Clouds, light, soft, and harmless looking. They just hang there, floating peacefully in the sky. But what if one day all of them decided to fall? Let's start with the basics. How much water is actually inside a cloud? About 500 tons of water per cubic kilometer of cloud. And in all the clouds on Earth combined, around 100 trillion tons. Now imagine all that water coming down at once. The sky gets darker, the air feels heavy, and then down they come. No explosions, no thunder, just a world-sized fog machine switching on. Visibility, 0. Even your own hand vanishes in front of you. Cities disappear. Silence spreads. The world becomes a whisper. It's not water, but the pressure feels like an invisible tsunami. Umbrellas? Yeah, not much help. Traffic comes to a halt. Even GPS gives up. The satellites are swimming in clouds. Everything's wet, slippery, and slightly warmer than comfortable. Earth turns into one enormous steam sauna. From orbit, our planet now looks like a giant boiling pot. Breathing becomes complicated. The air feels like warm soup. Electronics start sweating too. Laptops short-circuit in solidarity. Hours pass in a heavy, damp silence. And then, slowly, the clouds begin to rise again. The world looks cleaner, brighter, and a little bit wrinkled. And of course, the biggest rainbow in history. In reality, clouds don't fall because they're almost as light as air. They're held up by rising air currents, like invisible hands under a pillow. So there's nothing to worry about, unless the clouds start practicing their landings. If you enjoyed this experiment, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the next episode.